Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! I know I'm late, but this is the first video for 2018 on my channel, so yeah. Today I have the most requested how to draw hair tutorial, so let's get started. For this type of hair, I'm going to use 4 colors. I'm going to use black, crimson red, scarlet lake and pumpkin orange, and I'm starting drawing the darkest parts first and then the lightest parts. The trick on drawing hair and how I'm working is to see them and draw them as shapes and not as individual hair strings. And that's what I'm doing here actually. I'm blocking the shapes with the darkest colors first, and then I'm blending with the light colors on top. And for the last step, I'm blending everything with alcohol. That was it for this easy tutorial. For the real-time version of this video, you can visit my Patreon. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone!